Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to delete contacts in HubSpot quickly and easily. Keeping your contact list clean is crucial for maintaining CRM efficiency and ensuring that your data stays relevant. First of all, open your browser and go to HubSpot.com. Enter your login credentials and sign in to access your dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the CRM section. This is the main area where you'll find your contacts and other customer management tools. Now click on the Contacts tab. Here you'll see a complete list of all your saved contacts. You can also use the search bar to locate a specific entry if needed. After selecting the contact you want to remove, look for the delete option. HubSpot will ask for confirmation, and it's important to remember that deletion is permanent. Once confirmed, all related information and interaction history will be erased. To wrap up, always keep your contact list tidy and up to date. This prevents clutter and helps your CRM run smoothly. If you need extra help, HubSpot's support resources and community are always available. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete contacts in HubSpot quickly and easily.